Hey guys, I was putting my floor down and decided to make a video about how to cut the door jambs for those people who don't know how to do it. So first you want to do, you get a piece of wood like that, flip it, put the underlayment under it, I already have it, and just get you a multi-tool, a skill saw, or a hand saw if you have it. What you want to do, get it flat against right here, against the wall where you want to cut it, put it down. Get the skill saw, put it flat as you see it right here. Make sure it's flat. Turn it on and hold it down. It will just vibrate. Push it up and down like this. And I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but here you go. Look right here, flat. There you go guys, as you can see. I cut it from this side all the way out right here because the floor is going to go under here. It's going to look like this, as you can see. Pretty cool. You'll be able to fit the rest of the floor right there. This way, see? And we'll hide it. You don't need the shoe molding on here. Shoe molding goes right here. We'll cover that gap, but you can't cover it here. That's why you gotta do that. After that, you got a chisel. And just remove it. See? Comes out like that. Perfect, see? Same thing with here. Then place the chisel in there. And she comes out like that, you see? It's perfect. As you can see guys, all you do, push it out, bam, it's done. Next thing you want to do guys, make sure you clean it all out and you get a sharp vac and vacuum all this right here. Make it nice and make sure you don't miss anything. You see I missed some right there. As you can see right here guys, sharp vac and just vacuum everything. That's it guys. Now look, you can put the floor under there, make sure it fits. You can hide, as you can see right there. I gotta fix it all up later. See, all of it goes under there. Perfect. And that's how you do it guys. If you have any questions, please comment below and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you.